Welcome to the Oculus Quest tutorial series. In this video, we'll show you how to properly set up your account and device for the first time. First, open up the box and remove the contents. You'll find a head-mounted display, charger, charging cord, glasses lens spacer, reference guide, safety and warranty guide, and 2 controllers with 2 AA batteries. Also, keep your eyes out for additional accessories available on the Oculus website. Next, download the Oculus smartphone app from either the Google Play or Apple App Store. You won't need your smartphone every time you use the device, but you will need one for the initial setup. Once you've installed the app, open it up and you'll see a login screen. If you don't already have an account, you can create one using your email address or your Facebook account. Logging in through Facebook is recommended because it'll allow you to easily find and add friends and share content. Games and apps you download will be linked to your account. That way your purchases will be safe even if something happens to your headset. Once you've logged in, the app will take you to the privacy settings screen, where you can manage settings to control how people can search for you, who can see your friend list, and more. If this is your first time logging into the Oculus app, it will automatically prompt you to choose a headset to begin the setup process. Click on the Start button, and the app will direct you through 4 easy steps to pair the headset. First, plug your Oculus Quest into the charger. Then, make sure your headset is turned on. If it's not on, you can turn it on by pressing and holding the power button for 2 seconds. Once it's on, take a look in the headset for a 5-digit code. Type this code into the app, and the headset will begin to pair with the app. Once the step is complete, select a Wi-Fi network. Now it's time to pair the controllers. Put one of the provided batteries in each controller. Hit Next, and the app will connect to both controllers. If they aren't connected right away, the app will prompt you to pair each one individually. Hold the menu button and the Y button to pair your left controller. Once the light starts blinking, hit Continue and follow the same steps for the right controller. This time, holding the Oculus button and B button. Next, you'll be prompted to add a payment method. The payment method will be used later for downloading apps and games. Then, you'll be shown a short video on how to use your Oculus Quest safely. Once you've watched the video and acknowledged the health and safety warning, congratulations! You've just successfully set up your Oculus Quest. While you wait for the software installation to complete, here's an important note on how to properly wear your headset so that the picture is clear and the headset is comfortable. First, make sure the back straps cradle the base of your head. Then, adjust the straps and move the headset up and down until it's resting comfortably on your face. Finally, adjust the toggle on the bottom left of the headset until the picture is clear. You'll know you're wearing the headset correctly when it's resting lightly on your face and the picture appears clearly. Remember, your Oculus Quest will go to sleep if the sensor above the lenses is not covered. That's how the headset knows you're wearing it. To learn more about your Oculus Quest, you can watch more of this tutorial series or follow the Support Center link in the reference guide. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in VR.